Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to connect a domain in Hostinger to Hostinger AI website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And this is the website I want to connect a Hostinger domain to. First, let's give it a visit. This is it. Now, next to the website you want to connect a domain to, click on these three dots and select Connect Domain. Here, fill in the domain that you have in Hostinger that you want to connect. In my case, it's benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes. Click on it. Now click on Next. Domain added to your site. Hostinger here didn't ask me for pointing my domain name to Hostinger using Hostinger's name servers because I've already point my domain name to Hostinger. Let's say you don't know how to point your domain name to Hostinger. It's simple. I will click on continue. Now go to domains. This is the domain I've just connected. Click on manage. Then go to name servers and click on change name servers and select use Hostinger name servers. This is it. ns1.dns-parking.com and ns2 sending for name server to .dns-parking.com. Now, if your domain name was not using those two name servers, it will take a little bit of time in order to connect. If those two name servers are already used for your domain name, your domain connection with your new website will be almost instantly. As you see here, it can take anywhere from 15 minutes to 24 hours for the domain to start working after DNS change. DNS is this name server's change. Once this happens, your website will be accessible via your domain name. Now let's go back to the main menu, go to websites, and let's try to open my domain name or my website. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And let's try to open my domain name or my website. And just like that, I've connected my domain in Hostinger to Hostinger AI website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.